Have you seen the crypto charts lately? If you've been following the markets, you might have noticed something extraordinary happening right now. Pi Network just surged 30% in a single week, smashing through resistance and reaching a 3-month high above 23 cents. For a project that's often been called a sleeping giant, this is a wake-up call. This isn't just random noise or a fleeting pump. There are powerful catalysts driving this momentum, and the market is taking notice. The biggest catalyst, a major technical upgrade, Protocol v20.2, has just rolled out, promising faster transactions, improved security, and a more scalable network. On top of that, the Pi team has unveiled an ambitious new plan to integrate distributed AI computing, aiming to make Pi Network a hub for next-gen decentralized applications. For millions who've spent years mining Pi on their phones, this is the moment they've been waiting for. Suddenly, those daily taps are translating into real value, and wallets are starting to reflect the payoff. The energy in the Pi community is electric. Social media is buzzing, chat groups are exploding with excitement, and everyone's sharing their predictions and strategies. As of March 10, 2026, the big question on everyone's mind is, can Pi hit 30 cents before Pi Day on March 14? The countdown is on, and speculation is running wild. It's a bold target, but with this kind of momentum, optimism is high. Investors are watching closely, and some are already celebrating early gains. In this chapter, we'll break down the technology behind the surge, analyze the latest trends, explore the potential rewards, and discuss the risks you need to know before jumping in. So grab your chai, settle in, and get ready to dive deep into Pi Network's wild ride, because this story is just getting started. The countdown to Pi Day is officially on, and the next few days could be historic for Pi Network and its global community. Let's dive into what's truly powering this rally, the much-anticipated Protocol v20.2. This isn't just a minor tweak or a background fix. It's the heart of Pi's transformation, the engine that's driving momentum and excitement across the entire ecosystem. Protocol v20.2 marks a major leap forward, not just keeping Pi up to date, but propelling it to the forefront of blockchain innovation. By aligning with the latest Stellar consensus technology, Pi is now equipped to handle more users, more transactions, and more complex applications than ever before. The rollout began on March 7th, and node operators have until March 12th to upgrade. This tight window has injected a sense of urgency and anticipation as the community rallies to ensure a smooth transition. The buzz is palpable. Everyone wants to be part of this pivotal moment. With this upgrade, Pi's network security is significantly enhanced, making it more resilient against threats. Transaction speeds are faster, and the groundwork is laid for a new generation of decentralized apps that can truly scale. It's a clear signal to the world. Pi's team isn't just talking about the future, they're building it. Every milestone reached is proof that this project is about real progress, not just lofty ambitions, and the timing couldn't be better. Launching right before Pi Day, the upgrade amplifies excitement, turning a technical milestone into a community-wide celebration. With v20.2, Pi is now positioned for massive scale and rapid innovation. The infrastructure is ready to support millions of users and the next wave of blockchain breakthroughs. Investors are taking notice. They see this upgrade as a solid foundation for future growth and a key reason why Pi's valuation could soar in the coming months. Suddenly, that 30-cent target doesn't seem so far-fetched. The momentum is real, and the market is responding. Protocol v20.2 is more than just an upgrade. It's the backbone of Pi's next chapter, setting the stage for everything that comes next. If the protocol upgrade is the engine, distributed AI is the rocket fuel. Pi's 421,000-plus active nodes represent a global supercomputer, now being tapped for AI tasks. Instead of centralized data centers, AI work is split across the network. A proof of concept with OpenMind proved it works. Volunteers completed real AI computations, Node operators can now earn PI by contributing computing power, adding real utility. This transforms Pi from a currency to a functional, monetizable network. The AI angle opens Pi to a multi-trillion-dollar market. It's not just a price pump, it's a fundamental shift in what Pi can become. The community and investors are buzzing with excitement. Let's break down the crypto jargon. A protocol is the rulebook for the network. V20.2 is a major upgrade. Nodes are computers run by people worldwide, validating transactions and securing the network. More nodes mean more decentralization and security. Resistance is a price ceiling. For PI, it's 28 cents. Support is the price floor. RSI, or Relative Strength Index, measures momentum. Above 70 means overbought. PI's RSI is 71, a warning sign for a possible pullback. These basics help you read the charts and spot the risks. Understanding them is key to smart investing. The charts are bullish. PI broke through key resistance at 23 cents. Supertrend and moving averages are all flashing green, with strong support below. The next big hurdle, 28 cents, a major resistance zone. If PI breaks it, a new bullish phase could begin. Analysts see 30 cents as a real target before Pi Day, with some predicting even higher. The protocol upgrade, AI news, and market strength are creating the perfect setup. A break above 28 cents could trigger FOMO and a surge to 30 cents. All eyes are on the charts this week. Excitement is high, but let's talk risks. PI's RSI is over 70, overbought territory, signaling a possible cooldown. Huge inflows, 6.2 million PI, just hit exchanges, often a sign of impending selling. Nearly 450 million PI sit on exchanges, with over half on Gate.io. If whales sell, the price could drop fast. Watch for a sell the news event after the protocol upgrade and Pi Day. Hype can fade quickly once announcements are out. Concentrated holdings on a few exchanges add risk. Smart investors balance optimism with caution. Stay alert as key dates approach. Pi's rally isn't happening in isolation. The entire crypto market is bullish, with total market cap above $2.49 trillion. Bitcoin's strength is pulling altcoins like Pi higher. Positive sentiment is fueling risk-taking and new investments. Pi's news is amplified by this market-wide optimism. If the market stays strong, Pi has a tailwind. But if Bitcoin stumbles, Pi could struggle too. Internal upgrades and external market forces are working together. Watch both Pi and the broader market for clues. Pi's fate is tied to the crypto ecosystem. March 14th, Pi Day, is the network's biggest event. With the protocol upgrade complete, the community expects major announcements, possible news, new incentives for node operators, or a big exchange listing like Kraken. A top-tier listing would boost liquidity and visibility. New rewards could attract more participants and strengthen the network. The announcements will set the tone for Pi's year. The world is watching to see if Pi delivers on its promise. Pi Day could be the catalyst for the next big move. So, what's the verdict on Pi Network? As we stand at this pivotal moment, it's clear that Pi has captured the imagination of millions around the world. From casual users mining on their phones to seasoned investors tracking every update, the excitement is undeniable. But what does all this buzz really mean for the future of Pi? The hype is real. Major upgrades, AI ambitions, and a bullish market have created a perfect storm. Pi Network's recent technological advancements and its push towards integrating artificial intelligence have set it apart from many other projects in the crypto space. The market's optimism is fueled by these bold moves, and the energy is palpable. The 30-cent target is backed by real developments, not just hope. Unlike many speculative coins, Pi's team is actively working on partnerships, ecosystem growth, and real-world use cases. These efforts give substance to the price predictions and offer a foundation for long-term value. But risks, overbought signals, exchange inflows and volatility can't be ignored. The crypto market is notoriously unpredictable, and Pi is no exception. Sudden price swings, regulatory uncertainties, and shifting investor sentiment could all impact Pi's trajectory. It's important to approach with both optimism and caution. The upcoming Pi Day is a crucial test. Can Pi turn hype into lasting growth? This event will be watched closely by the entire crypto community. It's a moment where announcements, launches, or even surprises could redefine Pi's path and set the tone for the months ahead. Announcements that add utility and accessibility will be key. If Pi can deliver new features, apps, or partnerships that make the coin more useful in everyday life, it could cement its place as a serious contender in the crypto world. Pi's journey is about more than price. It's about building real value. The project's vision extends beyond short-term gains, aiming to create a thriving ecosystem where users, developers, and businesses can all benefit. Whether it hits 30 cents or not, the bigger story is just beginning. The foundation being laid today could support innovations and opportunities we can't yet imagine. Every milestone reached is a step toward a more decentralized and inclusive digital economy. Stay curious, watch closely, and remember, in crypto, fortunes can change fast. The landscape evolves quickly, and those who stay informed and adaptable are best positioned to benefit from new trends and opportunities. The Pi Network's next chapter is about to unfold. Whether you're a believer, a skeptic, or just a curious observer, now is the time to pay attention. The story of Pi is still being written, and its future is full of possibilities.